fresh green beans and horsegram are combined together to make this delicious, nutritious, power-packed and weight loss recipe. Welcome to water gravy. Take 250 grams of beans. Wash the beans well and allow the water to drain. For this quantity of beans, you will need half a cup, that is 120 grams of horsegram. Add this horsegram, also called as Kulith, Kollu, Huruli or Ulavalu, to a bowl. Rinse with water 2 to 3 times. Add water and allow to soak overnight or for 8 hours. I have soaked it overnight. You will know that it is well soaked when you can split it into 2. Remove the ends of the beans and chop them fine. The finer you chop, the faster the cooking time will be, and it will be easy to retain the green color of the beans. Add water to a steamer. Close and switch on the flame. Once the water starts boiling, place the steamer tray and add the cut beans to this. There are many varieties of beans. These are French beans, also called as ring beans, the slender and tender variety, and hence they cook faster. Steaming is one of the healthiest methods of cooking as it helps retain the color, texture, flavor, and there is no loss of the essential vitamins and minerals. After 4 minutes, open the steamer. You can see that the beans are cooked but have not lost their texture. Switch off the stove. Now, to retain the lovely green color of the beans, sprinkle some cold water. This will immediately stop the cooking process. I'm using ice cold water. Remove the tray and set aside. To a mixer jar, take 3 red chilies, remove the stem and add. These are of the very spicy variety. Add 3/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of Himalayan rock salt and powder coarsely. Drain the water from the soaked horsegram and add to the powder in the mixer jar. To this, add 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. Close and grind for a few seconds. Add 1 tablespoon of water. Do not add too much water, just enough for grinding, and grind to a thick, coarse paste. To a plate, add a few drops of oil. Grease evenly. Add the coarsely ground horsegram mix and spread to a uniform thickness. Horsegram is one of the richest sources of protein, and being high in dietary fiber, it can help to improve digestion, reduce bloating, and relieve constipation. It also regulates metabolism, thus aiding in weight loss. It can also reduce inflammation caused by diseases like arthritis. To the same steamer pot, add some more water, and once the water starts boiling, place the plate with the mix and steam for 10 minutes. You can also steam the beans and the gram mix together. Remove the beans after 4 minutes and continue to cook the horsegram for 6 more minutes. This saves a lot of time, especially for working people. Once cooked, remove the plate and transfer the cooked horsegram mix to a wide plate and start crumbling it. This is easier to do when the mix is still hot. Horsegram is high in antioxidants, which can help to protect the heart and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. It is also high in calcium, which helps to strengthen bones and fight off conditions like osteoporosis. Crumble until it becomes powdered with no lumps left. If you're finding it difficult to do this, then you can allow it to cool and run it in a mixer jar for just 2 seconds. Heat a Kadai. Add 1 tablespoon of any cold-pressed oil. When the oil becomes hot, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds start sputtering, add 1 teaspoon of split black urad dal and 2 red chilies. Fry for a few seconds and add curry leaves. Fry and add the steamed beans. I have not added onions, but you can also add 1 chopped onion. Mix. Add half a teaspoon of salt or as required. 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Sugar again helps retain the green color, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Mix well. Low in calories and high in fiber, green beans can help to lower cholesterol, manage diabetes, reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, improve digestion, and keep you feeling full for longer, making them a great option for those trying to lose weight. A good source of fiber, folate, vitamin C, manganese, their high levels of vitamin K can help to strengthen bones and prevent osteoporosis. Once the moisture in the beans is absorbed, add the crumbled and cooked horsegram mix. Mix and fry until well combined and the raw smell goes. Horsegram can help to boost the immune system and reduce the risk of common illnesses. It has been used in traditional medicine to treat fever and cough as well as other respiratory conditions. Switch off the stove. Add 1 tablespoon of grated coconut and a few chopped coriander leaves. Mix well. Easy to put together, healthy, simple, nutritious, and ideal weight loss recipe with numerous health benefits. Serve this delicious beans and horsegram curry with steamed rice or roti. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed watching the video, press the like button and subscribe to keep posted on more such interesting recipes. Would love to hear from you.